Hey everyone, we're back, and this week we've got another deck review for you. It's going to be awesome, and we're doing the B-roll deck this week. So the B-roll deck isn't just about film, it's actually about all the magic and stuff that we leave on the cutting room floor, the stuff the audience doesn't see, the creativity. The top of the box, it reads, "And action," which is what the director would yell. On the side it says poker size and made in the USA. On the bottom though, it says it's made by US Playing Card Company. We love them. And, fat pull tab, and I like a fat pull tab because it's easy to open. Let's take a look inside. Before you say cut, wait 5 more seconds. Alright. And that's cute. On the inside tabs, we have the director's chair and his little megaphone. Let's take a look at the cards. They seem to be really smooth and spread easily, but that was just me throwing them. Let's take a look here. We got 2 jokers and they're matching, which is really nice. I like matching jokers for sandwich tricks if you do sandwich tricks. Look at these. I have a double back, which is a color change. That's kind of neat. And a blank face card, which is going to be helpful if you do any like projection tricks or something like that. That's pretty cool. Let's take a look at these other cards here. We've got these cute, adorable face cards with these little beady eyes. And all the pips are really nice. I like the size of them too because they're easy to read. The Ace of Spades, it has that beautiful film reel on it. All the other pips are nice and easy to read. Consistent throughout the deck. And then look at these adorable face cards. I love them. Beady little film eyes. And one thing I really like about the face cards that you'll notice when you see them, there's no border on it. So they're kind of just 3D living in that world there, which is nice. The back has borders though, so if you're about borders on the back, these still have borders on the back. The fronts just don't, which is really nice. I like that. Each of these cards really stand out too. I think this could be read really well from a distance, which is great if you're a magician performing parlor tricks or even stage tricks with cards. This deck is fantastic no matter what you're doing with it. It also actually kind of reminds me of the DKNG Red Wheel deck if you haven't seen that. And in fact, we just got the yellow version of this deck in our shop. So if you're interested in that, I'll link it below. And spread out, it actually even kind of looks like a film strip. This deck is fantastic for Magic, and I want to give it a 10 out of 10 for this one. It definitely deserves it. It's a beautiful deck. And that's the B-roll playing cards. For more magic and fun, and to get those B-roll playing cards, head to SleightOfDoug.com. The link's in the description below. Also remember to like and subscribe.